It's one of the most advanced artificial intelligence models in the world and has received a lot of attention in the tech community since its launch in late 2022. In this article, we will look at 18 fast facts about ChatGPT that'll give you a better understanding of its capabilities and limitations. OpenAI developed ChatGPT using the GPT-3 architecture and was launched as a prototype on November 30, 2022. The model has over 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest AI models in the world. ChatGPT was trained on various text sources, including books, articles, and websites. It can perform a wide range of language tasks, including translation, summarization, and question answering. ChatGPT has been used to develop chatbots for customer service and virtual assistants. While it may sound too good to be true, unfortunately, its ability to generate text has been used to create fake news articles and social media posts. On March 14, 2023, OpenAI released GPT-4, the upgraded version of their popular GPT 3.5 chatbot. ChatGPT has been used by researchers to study the biases and limitations of AI language models. The model's performance on language tasks improves as it receives more data and fine-tuning. ChatGPT has received criticism for its lack of transparency and potential misuse. OpenAI has placed limitations on the commercial use of ChatGPT to prevent the model from being used for potentially harmful purposes. The model's output is generated based on patterns in the data it was trained on, so its responses may not always be accurate or appropriate. ChatGPT's language generation capabilities are improving rapidly, and it's expected to continue to improve in the coming years. OpenAI has released several smaller versions of ChatGPT for researchers and developers to use. The cost of running ChatGPT is substantial, and its deployment requires a significant amount of computer resources. Despite its limitations, ChatGPT has received widespread praise for its potential to revolutionize the field of AI and natural language processing. OpenAI has received funding from several high-profile investors, including Microsoft and Elon Musk. The future of ChatGPT and AI language models is uncertain, but it's expected to play a major role in the development of new technologies and applications. Facts about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that has received a lot of attention worldwide since its prototype launch in November 2022. The model has over 175 billion parameters and has been trained on a diverse range of text sources. As a result, it can perform a wide range of language-related tasks, including content writing, translation, coding, and answering questions, whether accurate or not. Despite its limitations and the concerns about its potential misuse, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing.